What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking a separately excited D generator with an armature circuit resistance RA is operating at a terminal voltage V while delivering an armature current IA and has a constant loss PC. Find the value of A for which the generator efficiency is a maximum. Okay, here we are trying to find an IA, value of IA for which the generator efficiency is maximum. Okay, first of all, let's go ahead and look at this equation. This generator speed is equal to generator output divided by, actually this is efficiency of the generator, is equal to generator output divided by generator output plus losses. Generator output plus losses. Okay, generator output is V times I, because that's the power. P is equal to VI, and generator output here VI minus IA square RA times RA plus brush loss plus I plus CH. Now here our purpose is to find out the IA value. What is the IA value? Gives a maximum efficiency. IA is equal to I plus ISH. For maximum efficiency, the derivation should give us 0. The derivation of efficiency with respect to the current IA should give us 0 for the maximum efficiency. So IA square RA IA square RA is equal to PC. Therefore IA should be equal to square root of PC over RA, and that's the IA required for the maximum generator efficiency. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn electromechanical system, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch it too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.